Hello friends, today I will be talking about hair oiling. It is a very important point that hair oil is very beneficial for your hair and also very important. While a hair massage is good for improving circulation, application of hair oil is not really beneficial if you keep the oil in your hair for a long time. Washing the oil out completely requires rigorous shampooing, which at times takes away the natural oil as well from your scalp, making your hair more dry. So after oiling your hair, wash it after 20 minutes with mild shampoo. You can leave oil in your hair overnight and wash with mild shampoo in the morning. For best results, massage your scalp for 5 minutes with warm coconut oil. The other types of oil that you can use for your hair is argan oil. You can also use jojoba oil, which is very good for the tips of your hair. It makes your tips very healthy. Another oil that you can use is coconut oil, of course, which is the best choice, and also almond oil. Almond oil is a great option for oiling your hair. Hair oil is the most beneficial for the roots, which is often forgotten in the midst of treatment. When oil is massaged into the scalp, it permeates deep inside so that it can enter the hair cuticle and nourish the strand from root to tip. Another important thing is that massage your hair regularly. A hot oil treatment can take a sizable amount of time, but that does not mean that you skip it altogether. So make sure that you massage your hair regularly. Now there are points that say what you should not do while oiling your hair. So the most important point is, do not fast forward the oiling. While oiling your hair, it should benefit you greatly, but beyond a particular period of time, the oil will have already treated your scalp and lens. Therefore, do not oil your hair too much and do not do it too fast, because if you oil your hair too much, then while putting shampoo on your hair, you will have to put too much of shampoo, and that will actually take away all the moisture from your hair and make your hair dry. So make sure that you do not overdo the oiling. Another very important rule is always comb out your hair, make it tangle free, and then start massaging it gently. Also, another point is that 2 oils are better than 1. So mix coconut oil or argan oil together, or you can also mix olive oil with argan oil and then use these 2 oils on your hair, which will be good for your hair. Also, another important thing that you should avoid is tying your hair too tightly after oiling. Post a head massage, your hair roots tend to loosen up a bit. The one thing you should avoid in this case is tying up your hair too tightly right after oiling it. This will further weaken the roots of your hair and cause significant amount of breakage and also damage to your hair. The most common way to massage your head is in fact with your fingertips. But ladies, believe it when we say you should use a piece of cotton instead. Cotton is easy on your roots and will be the most gentle way to massage the scalp. Dip a piece of cotton in hot oil, squeeze it to remove any excess oil and rub it on your scalp and along the length of your hair for the best results. So all these tips will help to make your hair healthy and shiny. The glossy and healthy and soft hair you get after washing off that oil is sure to bring a smile on your face. But it is important that you do not blow dry or do any sort of heat styling that will dry up the hair and nullify the positive effects of the lovely oil massage that you have given to your hair. Take a break from that styling and say hello to gorgeous tresses. Also, all these tips are important so that your hair do not get dry and brittle, And if you have an overactive scalp that produces too much of oil, don't add even more to your hair. So if you have too much of oily hair, don't add too much of oil to your hair. So friends, remember all these tips for healthy, gorgeous and beautiful hair.